Next, we have Theo Nash. Theo's the co-founder and CEO at Mundane. He'll be speaking to us about how amplifying human work and why the future of labor is telepresence and not replacement. Everybody, let's welcome Theo to the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Yeah? Doing all right? Doing all right? I've got a big question for everyone today. Who here's seen Iron Man? Iron Man? Anyone? No one's seen Iron Man in this entire audience. Put your hand up if you've seen Iron Man. Okay, there's a few of you. Yeah, what did you think of Iron Man? It's cool, right? Yeah, Tony Stark, you know, there's the flying suits, Jarvis, the jetpacks. Yeah, it's cool, superhuman strength. So I'm here today to tell you that that's not what I'm building. No, it is a little bit of what I'm building. So Mundane, you know, we're a team spun out Stanford, Palo Alto, and we are not building suits for billionaires, I'm afraid, sorry. But we are building robotic avatars for the people who keep society running. Who are those people? Those people are electricians, they're construction workers, they're firefighters, they're industrial operators. They are the people who put their lives on the line every single day. And right now, many of these jobs are dangerous and they're exhausting and they're physically punishing. If we look at line work, you as a line worker are put into risk 400 times more than the average worker in America. You know, and these people are going under extreme temperatures, high voltages, toxic environments, heavy loads, long hours, and the constant risk and threat of injury. Working in the trades is no easy feat, and we think that's really backwards. The people doing the most important hands-on work should have the best technology in the world protecting them, don't you think? So what we're doing at Mundane is building the systems that let workers step out of the danger zone while still getting the job done. So instead of climbing that tower themselves, they control a robot system remotely. Instead of risking their body, the robot is going to take the hit. And instead of wearing down their shoulders and back over decades of back-breaking work, they work through a machine designed for that exact environment, for that exact task. Because we want to give workers superhero capabilities. Superhuman strength, resistance to heat and hazardous environments, the ability to work remotely and flexibly, and the ability to do more with less risk. And the beautiful thing is, these guys, they're not fictional superheroes, they're everyday heroes already, and we're just building the tools to amplify them. Because at Mundane, we don't believe that robots should replace humans. And I know that's controversial, I know that's really controversial, me being at a humanoid robotics convention and saying that they should not replace humans. I think they should protect humans. I think they should extend human capability. And that's only possible with new interfaces, new telepresent interfaces that allow us to work with AI. We can automate away the mundane, and we can extend and amplify people's abilities using robots. So this is a plea. Amplification is better than replacement. And the future of labor, it is not humans versus robots. It's humans becoming more capable through robots. That's all. Thank you.
Theo, absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much.